This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including loss of capital. Any tools or strategies mentioned do not guarantee profits or future results.
What if the next AI breakthrough isn't a better chatbot? What if it's an AI that can actually build software for you? Not help you code, not suggest improvements, actually create functioning software from a simple prompt. According to one investment presentation, that's exactly what's happening behind the scenes right now. The technology is being referred to as Project Tengu, and supporters claim it could change how businesses operate, how software is developed, and potentially how millions of people work. Now, before you dismiss this as another overhyped AI story, let's look at why this claim is attracting attention. Over the past few years, we've become accustomed to AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok. Most people use them to write emails, summarize documents, answer questions, or generate content. Useful? Absolutely. But they're still largely assistants. Project Tengu is being described as something different. Instead of simply helping people perform tasks, it reportedly acts more like a digital employee. The claim is that users can describe a problem and the AI can create functioning software solutions in minutes. Need an application? Build it. Need to automate a process? Build it. Need a custom tool for a business problem? Build it. If that sounds extreme, that's because it is. And that's exactly why investors are paying attention. The bigger implication isn't the software itself. It's what happens if software creation becomes dramatically easier and cheaper. Think about every business that relies on developers, every company that spends money on software, every organization trying to automate repetitive tasks. If AI can perform a meaningful portion of that work, entire industries could be affected. Universities could accelerate research. Healthcare companies could analyze data faster. Businesses could automate processes that currently require large teams. Government agencies could process information more efficiently. In theory, the impact stretches far beyond the technology sector. And that's where the investment angle begins. The technology behind Project Tengu is reportedly connected to Anthropic, one of the leading artificial intelligence companies in the world. If the name sounds familiar, Anthropic is the company behind Claude, one of the most advanced AI models currently available. The challenge for investors is that Anthropic remains a private company. You can't simply log into a brokerage account and buy shares. So, if Anthropic develops a breakthrough product, how can ordinary investors participate? That's the question at the centre of Marc Chaikin's latest investment thesis. Chaikin believes the opportunity isn't necessarily Anthropic itself. Instead, he argues that investors should focus on the businesses likely to benefit from the next wave of AI spending. Because whenever a major technological breakthrough happens, money doesn't just flow into one company. It spreads across an entire ecosystem. Infrastructure providers, power companies, hardware suppliers, data center operators, robotics firms, and businesses integrating the technology into real-world operations. In his presentation, Chaikin points to several areas that could benefit if Anthropic's technology gains widespread adoption. One example he discusses publicly is SK Telecom, which invested early in Anthropic. But the broader thesis extends beyond a single stock. His argument is that AI adoption will require massive investments in computing infrastructure, electricity generation, data centers, networking equipment, and physical automation. In other words, some of the biggest winners may not be AI companies at all. They may be the companies supplying the AI revolution. This research forms the basis of Chaikin's Power Gauge report. The service combines monthly stock recommendations with his Power Gauge rating system, which evaluates thousands of stocks using both technical and fundamental factors. Subscribers receive access to stock ratings, model portfolios, market updates, and ongoing research focused on themes like artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. One thing worth noting is that the Project Tengu story remains highly speculative. Anthropic has not publicly announced a product called Project Tengu. Many details come from investment presentations and industry speculation rather than official company disclosures. That's important because AI investing has become one of the most crowded themes in the market. Not every breakthrough claim becomes reality. And not every promising technology turns into a winning investment. Still, the broader trend is difficult to ignore.